Welcome to the Herzing University Financial Aid Site experience. The financial aid site offers interactive acceptance of awards online, academic year structure and awarding breakdown, link to the disbursement schedule calendar, scholarship, and document completion. Access to your financial aid site via your Herzing student portal at https://login.herzing.edu. If you have questions about your login information, you can call or email the IT help desk. Once logged into your Herzing student portal, click the financial aid $ icon. Inside the financial aid site, you can view your basic student info, access required documents, or view your financial aid awards. With this interactive website, you now have the ability to accept your financial aid awards fully online, which means no more paper. Have more questions or need some additional help navigating the new site? Feel free to stop by your local campus. Email us at fa@herzing.edu or give us a call at 1-866-508-0748 and select option 2.